while. One day later. Later.
What's up everyone, my name is Rapha, aka Random Rapha. I hope you enjoyed my double tie-dyeing mythical merch vlog, or vlogs, I guess that's what it's called. I have tie-dyed mythical merch in 2020 and 2021, but I didn't do it in 2022. So to make up for that, I've decided to do it twice this year, and I've decided to post this video that you're watching right now just few hours before 2024 is almost here. I cannot believe that the new year is just around the corner. I simply cannot. Anyway, I had so much fun creating and giving new life to my mythical merch, especially trying the reverse tie-dyeing style, which I've been wanting to do. And well, look, I'm wearing some reverse tie-dyeing right here. If you want to find out more and buy your own kit that's featured in this video, click the link in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click that like button. It really does wonders. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and click on that bell to be on the lookout for more content like this. If you want even more content created by yours truly, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Rapha Conrad. Now, this is part 1 of my, I guess, little experiment that I'm trying to do. Be on the lookout for part 2, which will premiere very, very soon. And if it's up and running right now, click on this video right here. Trust me, you do not want to miss part 2. Anyway, I'll be right back. Hope you'll be back too. I'll see you in part 2. Wait, hold up. Was that a rhyme?